Old Arrow T50, T-55. It takes either staple. This thing is old. I was doing some research and it's every bit of 50 years old, probably. I don't know. Quite old. This is Grandpa's, but she's no longer with us. But I got it somehow or the other. I think I didn't return it, so I ended up with it. Of course. And I've had electric staplers, like the Black & Decker. I don't really care. You want a stapler that's going to shoot a staple exactly the same pretty much every single time? Find you an old Arrow, or Arrow, A-R-R-O-W, and she racks them out. I found a lot of stuff with this. And look at that. And I only use genuine, yeah, we love that. None of that cheap shit. See ya.